case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Amidst the tumultuous politics of Jerusalem's status, an unusual case reached the Supreme Court of the United States in 2012. An American citizen named Zivotofsky, born in Jerusalem, was seeking a peculiar change on his passport to list Israel as his place of birth. This, however, clashed with the State Department's policy to only list Jerusalem as a place of birth, given the disputed political status of the city. Zivotofsky contested this policy, insisting on his right to list Jerusalem, Israel as his place of birth. The case pivoted on an interpretation of the Foreign Relations Authorization Act of 2003, which Zivotofsky believed permitted this listing despite State Department policies. This interpretation was challenged, sparking a legal war that eventually found its way to the Supreme Court. Amid the legal wrangling, President Clinton also got involved. His concerns centered around the law's potential to undermine his constitutional authority to conduct foreign affairs and define the United States' position internationally. Thus, the case became not just about an individual's demand, but also about the balance of power between Congress and the president. The lower courts found themselves tangled in the question of constitutionality and the roles of the different branches of government. Judge Edwards concluded that the act was unconstitutional, siding with the president's authority. However, the Supreme Court disagreed, pushing back on the idea that the issue was an unsolvable political question. Bearing this in mind, the justices decided to return the case to the lower courts. They stated that Zivotofsky could indeed list Israel as his place of birth, as long as his birth in Jerusalem could be proven. The law, they reasoned, did not erode the president's power over recognizing foreign governments. In addition, they clarified that the political question rule did not act as an obstacle to their jurisdiction over the case. The Supreme Court's decision did not just settle Zivotofsky's request, but also significantly illuminated the intricate balance of power between Congress and the president.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.